In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneNote link. If you've ever needed to quickly send your notes to a teammate or give a client a peek at your plans, sharing a OneNote link is the fastest way to do it. Before we start, make sure the notebook you want to share is saved to the cloud, either OneDrive or SharePoint. Cloud storage is essential because OneNote can only generate shareable links for notebooks stored online. If you see that your notebook is local, move it to OneDrive or SharePoint first. With your notebook open, look to the upper right corner of the OneNote window and click Share. If you don't see the button, you can also go to File, then Share. In the Sharing panel, choose Copy Link. This creates a link you can paste anywhere, email, chat, or project tools. Before you copy the link, set the right permissions. Choose whether the link should be View Only or View and Edit. View Only is great when you want people to read, but not change your content. Perfect for distributing meeting notes or a finalized plan. View and Edit gives collaborators the ability to add, update, or reorganize content in real time, which is ideal for brainstorming and team projects. Pick the option that matches your intent, and keep in mind that your organization's settings may influence who can open the link. Depending on your OneNote version, you may also see an option to invite other people to view or edit this document. That's simply another way to share. Enter their email addresses, choose View or Edit, and send. It delivers the same permissions, just via a direct invite instead of a copied link. If you don't want to share the entire notebook, you can share a single page. In the Page navigation pane on the side, right-click the page you want to share and select Copy Link to Page. Paste that link wherever you need it, Teams, Slack, or email. One important note here. The person opening that page link must already have access to the parent notebook. Page links inherit notebook permissions, so if they can't open the notebook, they won't be able to open the page. That's it. Choose whether you're sharing the entire notebook or just a page, decide on View Only or View and Edit, and send the link in the way that works best for you. With these steps, you'll share confidently, maintain control over your content, and keep collaboration smooth and secure.